My name is Jose Sardina. I'm Chief Operating Officer for Proto Energy Limited. Yeah, so ProGas is an LPG distribution business. We supply both bulk gas and cylinders. And today we've come to purchase the Boleros to help us with our cylinder sales business. So there was a couple of criteria we looked at when we wanted to purchase a vehicle. One is reliability, the second is fuel economy, and then most important of all for us was to look at the load capacity. So the Mahindra gave us all of that, plus a good price and good after-sales service options. Yeah, the Bolero matches perfectly to what we want to achieve in our business in distributing cylinders. So number one, it's got a flat bed, allows us to load more cylinders and be more efficient. They way exceeded what we expected to be able to load from a weight capacity as well as a carrying capacity and the number of cylinders. And then of course the rugged suspension with the leaf spring suspension both front and back, which makes it an ideal vehicle for our terrain and for our deliveries. Bolero equals profit for ProGas.